Hello. I'm in the craft room. It's Friday morning. Yeah, I know. It's not Wednesday. I know, but don't worry because you're going to see this on Wednesday. Yeah, but I couldn't wait till Wednesday because, I have no patience. Wasn't in that line when they were handing it out. Anyway, something arrived yesterday that blew my mind. Number one, because it came so quick. And number two, because it's so beautiful. I got another one. Do you want to see what's in this one? Oh. Okay. I'm going to open it. Now, should I put you down? Let me see if I can put you down. Okay, I'll put you down. One sec. Okay, can you see that? Okay, good. Okay, let's see. There was this funny sticky paper, which I thought went all the way around, but it doesn't. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh. Now can you see why I could not wait till Wednesday to show you this? Because I want to start this today. Of course, you're seeing it Wednesday, and I will have already started it by then. But I couldn't wait till Wednesday to start it. Oh. So here is our chart inside, which is in color and black and white, which I love. Tea bag. I'm going to have a cup of tea while I start this. Clipper. Classic everyday fair trade tea. It's a black tea. Oh. Now I am going to have to hide these from Bob and Tristan and Evelyn. So I'm just going to have to eat them this afternoon. Okay. And then look, in our little bag, our thank you bag is, oh, I guess this is for finishing it. How neat. Oh, look at those colors. Oh, wait, they're all tangled here. There we go. Oh, are they not glorious? And they are, I love the way they do these cards, although I typically take these off and knot them so that I don't lose any, because they've got their symbol, the color, and the DMC color. So you don't have to do any conversions or messing about because it is DMC thread, but at least if you do run out, you can get more. Oh, look. It's a piece of linen. Oh, and here, of course, is my gorgeous gold needle in there. Oh, look at that, though. I mean, come on, really? Look how beautiful that linen is. Oh, I love linen. I'm going to have so much fun making this. Do any of you use linen? What's in here? Oh my gosh. Is that the world's biggest ever needle minder you've ever seen in your life? That is massive. Oh my gosh. Actually, I would be able to put my needle on the front. Usually I put my needles on the back, but that's massive. Oh, and then we have a piece of fabric, which is obviously to finish this. I am very curious how we're going to finish it because there is no frame in here. This is going to be really fun to stitch up and then to figure out how to frame it. And apparently there's a video we go to that shows us how we're going to frame a flat project. Okay, I am going to go make the cup of tea, find the center of my fabric, and start. I feel like the center's going to be around here somewhere. So should I just do all the letters and then move? Oh, it's just so hard to know what to do. Oh, I've got my afternoon planned, and it couldn't have come at a better time, because if you would have saw Friday's video, I finished my Halloween bag. So this is where that is going.